at Nirmala Eye Center is providing all comprehensive eye health care in terms of medical retina, glaucoma, pediatric ophthalmology, oculoplasty, and cataract as well. So we are doing state-of-art cataract surgeries using multifocal eyes, toric eyes, and mostly leading to the refractive surgery, giving a patient vision of 6 post-operatively without glasses. That is our aim and target. Here we have optical coherence tomography, green laser for medical retina patient for management of diabetic retinopathy, hypertensive retinopathy, vasculitis, and most of the cases of medical retina which needs green laser too. And I specialize in medical retina and glaucoma and cataract. So we are basically doing all cataract surgeries by phacoemulsification procedure. So with Nirmala Eye Center, we aim at giving the patient the state of highest possibility of the services, the quality of services which we can deliver to the patient. And our aim to treat the patient is only on one motto, which is the total ethical practice. We advise the patient what is required, we treat the patient what is required, and to make patient comfortable and to take them out of that apprehension of getting a treatment, particularly at a center which patient usually have. So we aim at providing a patient a very comfortable treatment with cost-effective treatment. So we are doing here sutureless, glueless pterygium surgery with conjunctival autografting with selective limbal epithelial transplantation as well. So in our experience, we have done more than 200 pterygium surgery where we have not seen recurrence in any of one cases with our technique. And this is a unique technique in ourselves which we are exclusively doing in the Agra region. And so another thing that we are working with this glaucoma segment. In glaucoma segment, we have laser with us for laser peripheral iridectomy, and with OCT RNFL is still present, which can detect the structural changes which can be detected 5 years before you see the functional loss. And we are giving all the surgical procedure. We are doing all surgical procedure here: phacoemulsification with trabeculectomy, SICS with trabeculectomy, and trabeculectomy as well with mitomycin C and or 5-fluorouracil as required with antimetabolite. Apart from this, in medical retina, we are basically working in all segment of the medical retina. We have green laser at our center with OCT, and we have R330 OCT at our center, which have a fundus photograph with anterior segment OCT attachment as well. So we are fully equipped with all latest technology which is needed to provide the best and state-of-art medical facility to the patient. With God's grace, we have been able to provide more than 50 patients the facility of getting them the retro-iris claw lenses implanted in their eye. Basically, this is a procedure what we are doing for the patient who are aphakic and who does not have the back support for the lens implantation. So here we are implanting RICL, for which patient does not need actually +10 glasses after post-cataract surgery. For any reason, if the lens could not be implanted, and if those patients have come to us for the treatment, we have implanted RICL, and now they have a very good vision without glasses. So they are now glasses free to see the world, and world is their own now. Talking about my experience in ophthalmology, I did my MS from Gandhi Medical College, Bhopal, for which I was also awarded gold medal for my best outgoing PG student. After that, I worked with LV Prasad Eye Institute, Visakhapatnam, for 6 months as a comprehensive fellow. And then I had a 1.5 year experience with Nirmala Institute, Rishikesh, working with the high volume cataract surgery and glaucoma surgery. After which I have also done my phacoemulsification training with Dr. Rakesh Shakya in Chitrakoot, who is an excellent surgeon. After which I have also done my training with HV Desai Hospital, Pune, for medical retina. Here we have 4 optometrists, qualified optometrists working with us in our center, and these optometrists are more than 7 to 8 years experience in this particular field, and they are very polite, and we have especially taken care of to appoint a staff which is polite to the patient, and they really take care of the patient. So patient should always feel that they are important to us, and they are our priority in all the senses, and to deliver the best out of best is our motto. Thank you.